Animal battle. Wolf pack versus moose. The competition system. Forest limits are home to strong animals. Wolves have adapted to this climate. The Argyll giants are moved to less tough habitat. Hungry wolfpacks often challenge moose, which train in number. Wolves do not fear the moose size or its champions when the beast face up. Moose profile. Height 7 feet. Weight up to 4 pounds. Habitat: forest, woodland, swamps. Moose range: moose are largest member of the deer family. They have humble shoulder, tough leg, and long muscle. Hairy, shaggy skin, a bell hang from the neck. Moose only live in areas with seasonal snow. The giant roam forests in northern Asia, Europe, and North America. They prefer to live near lakes and ponds. Strong swimmer. Moose are great swimmers. They can hold their breath for almost 1 minute when diving for food. Gray wolf pack. Gray wolf will fry. Length 6 feet 6 feet. Weight up to 130 pounds. Habitat: woodland, plains, desert, tundra. Gray wolf red. Wolves are largest wild dogs. This mammal has strong legs, narrow chests, and long bushy tails. They can grow up to 6 feet long. Wolves are smart, highly social creatures. They live and hunt in packs of around 10 wolves. This makes them a pest predator in almost all habitats. Packs on the move. Wolf pack will go to right lengths to find food. Some travel over 50 miles in one day. Separate weapons. Male moose are crowned with an impressive weapon. Their antlers reach up to 6 feet across. Male moose attempt to fight over male moose. Wolves fight as a team. Communication and teamwork help outsmart and defeat much larger animals. How call packs to fight? Grow scared of enemies. Smart communication. Wolves also tap each other through their action. They show teeth, tuck back their ears, and move the tail to show how they feel. Long legs help move speed of 50 miles, 35 miles per hour. Their legs are used as a weapon. Powerful kick can instantly take down enemy. Move speed. Thus moves running speed 35 miles. Top demand running speed 55 miles. Wolf separate weapon. Rush patch. Energy. Sharp kick. Wolves have the energy to go out play. Their pack can chase prey over tall land for long distance. This allows them to tire enemy to weaken them. Separate weapon, large antlers, long legs, Hoof. Hoof. It's move. Balance on top ground. They give moves a quickly to step over snow. Moves also use the hoof to storm enemies. Wolves have rather claws, tiny teeth, powerful jaws sink these teeth into prey in hundreds of pounds of fish. The teeth can cut through the skin, fur, and even bone. Wolf teeth, 35 to 55 inches long. A tough move. Moves are only usually fighters, but they fearless, protecting themselves or their young. They charge enemies with lowered antlers to scare and attack them. Both teams to outnumber enemies. One wolf spotting prey might bark to warn the enemy back. The pack then circle their enemy and stop them for stepping. Super senses. Wolves have sharp senses. They can smell. Animals more than 1 mile away can hear miles into the distance. Who if the scare touches fail. First we blow with the leg from the leg. Ground enemies they they then stomp weaken the attacker with the hoof beat. Wolves attack as a pack. Multi-bite from several wolves quickly take down prey. Pack is stick around to eat every pieces of what remains. Ready, fight. The monster moves is circled by three wolves. The smaller wolf bites the move's nose as the alpha jumps on its back. The move slams alpha around and kicks it. The alpha defeats instantly. The move stomps a smaller wolf at least run away. A giant cannot outnumber today.